Hi guys, welcome to GV's Academy. In this video, we'll see how to create email accounts in your cPanel, and second thing which we will see is how to access those email accounts from different URL. And for that, you need to log in into cPanel account first. So this is my cPanel account for the website called gwww.demo. This is the website, and for this website we have cPanel over here, and you need to make sure that you have the permission to create email accounts here. When you scroll down on the right side in statistics sidebar, you'll be able to see email accounts, and here as you can see 1 out of 10, in the sense I have 9 email account credits left. So I can create 9 email accounts. Now let's get started. Scroll top on the search bar, just click on that and type email, and you'll be able to see this option and select that. You will be redirected to a page where you will be able to see all the email accounts in your cPanel, in your server. Right now I have this one email ID that's called as support@gwww.demosites.com, but let's say I need to create these 2 email accounts. One is called rakesh@gwww.demosites.com and one other is accounts@gwww.demosites.com, and these 2 are my employees, and I need to assign an email accounts for them and need to send them username, password and login URL. This is what we are going to do now. So let me create the first email. That's rakesh@gwww.demosites.com. Back to this page, and here click on this create button. This is the page will be redirected, and here you need to enter the username, which is Rakesh. We want this email, right? We want to create this email. So Rakesh@gwww.demosites.com is by default because this is the website. This cannot be changed. Whatever the name, whatever username it is before this @ symbol can be written over here. Rakesh@gwww.demosites.com, and you can generate a password. And then you can assign a disk space based on how much space your web hosting provider has provided you. Let me click on unlimited. You can assign 100 MB, 200, 500 MB, 1 GB, 2 GB, whatever you want. Just make sure you enter it and select this right option. Is it in MB, GB, TB or PB? And let me click on, let it be 250 MB, and create folders, and then click on create. Congrats, you have successfully created an email account called as rakesh@gwww.demosites.com. Now the second email that we need to create is accounts@gwww.demosites.com, and the process will be completely same. Just click on the create button and enter accounts, and then type your password. They can later on change their password if they want and set up a default password here. Assign a disk space and hit on enter. Okay. Now if you see in this page where all the email accounts are listed, accounts@gwww.demosites.com, Rakesh and support. So now one is this default one, you can ignore this one. Remaining these 3 are the ones that we created. Now how to manage these, how to suppose that you want to change the password of any particular email address. You need to just select that and here click on manage. You can set up a new password for that particular email account. For rakesh@www.websites.com, you can set up a new password here, and again you can restrict their permissions, privileges by allowing the incoming mails and allowing them to send emails, and you can also restrict them to log in or suspend their account. Now, and once you complete your settings, you can just hit update email settings. That's it. Now I don't want to change anything here. I'll just go back. Right. So the first part is done. We successfully created email accounts for my team. Now second part is I need to share them URLs. I need to share them URL to login, username and password. Username and password, I know it because I just now created it for them, but URL, what is this URL? How to give them URL? We don't have any option here. Just go to your website www.websites.com, and after your domain name in the address bar add this /webmail and hit enter. That's it. You'll be redirected to a email login page, and from here your team can log in easily. Let's say we created this account, right? accounts@www.websites.com. They'll need to add the user email address, accounts, and password that you gave them. And you can select one of the default option. This is how you access the webmail, round cube, 4-day, or anything that you want. This is how you log into your webmail email accounts. This is how you create webmail email accounts. If you go back here, let me see the statistics again. Now the statistics has been updated. It's 3 out of 10 in the sense I have used 3 credits of email accounts and there are 7 credits more left in my particular account. Right? This is how we create email accounts in cPanel, and this is it for this video, and in our next video we'll come up with some more topics related to cPanel. Till then, take care.